Today, we're diving into a topic that interests many of you using food delivery apps. Can DoorDash drivers see your tip? This question is crucial for both customers and drivers, impacting the delivery experience and potentially the service quality. Let's unpack this subject comprehensively. Firstly, understanding DoorDash's policy on tipping is essential. When you place an order through DoorDash, you have the option to tip your driver. But the timing of when this tip is revealed to the driver has been a topic of much discussion and curiosity. Initially, DoorDash didn't reveal the tip amount to the driver until after the delivery was completed. The idea was to ensure that drivers didn't discriminate between high and low tipping orders. However, this approach received criticism from drivers who wanted more transparency about their potential earnings up front. In response to feedback, DoorDash updated its policy. Now, when drivers receive a delivery opportunity, they're shown a guaranteed minimum amount that they'll earn for completing the delivery. This amount includes both DoorDash's base pay for the delivery and any tip that the customer has pre-entered. Therefore, drivers do have an indication of whether a customer has tipped and the overall value of the delivery, but they won't see the specific tip amount until after the delivery is complete. It's important for customers to understand that their tip can influence the attractiveness of the delivery offer to a driver. A higher tip can make an order more appealing, potentially resulting in faster acceptance and delivery. On the other hand, DoorDash assures that orders will eventually be delivered, regardless of the tip amount, but the influence on delivery time can vary. This tipping model aims to strike a balance, maintaining a level of fairness and incentivization. For drivers, it provides insight into the financial worth of an order before acceptance. For customers, it preserves the privacy of their tipping decision until the order is fulfilled. In conclusion, yes, DoorDash drivers can see an indication of your tip through the total guaranteed amount they're shown for a delivery. This system is designed to incentivize drivers while keeping the tipping process discreet until the order is completed. Thank you for tuning in. The dynamics of tipping on delivery platforms like DoorDash bring up important conversations about fairness, transparency, and service quality. Whether you're a customer or a driver, understanding these aspects can lead to a better experience for everyone involved. Stay informed and considerate, and happy ordering.